Meet the CellarCool Flex Series, a compact wine cellar cooling system built for flexible installation, quiet performance, and long-term reliability. Designed to integrate seamlessly into soffits, wine cabinets, closet-concealed mechanical spaces, or in-cellar installations, these systems are an ideal solution for modern, space-conscious cellar designs. Flex Series systems come in 3 sizes: 2500, 3500, and 5000, with capacities ranging from 1,876 to 5,544 BTUs of cooling power. One of the key advantages of the Flex Series is its installation flexibility. Depending on the application, you can configure the system for ducted, ductless, or hybrid operation by selecting the airflow kit that best fits your cellar's needs. The Deflector airflow kit features a rotatable air diffuser that directs airflow downward, forward, or backward for maximum installation flexibility. The ducted airflow kit transforms the unit into a fully ducted system, supporting duct runs up to 25 feet for discrete installations where the unit is positioned outside the cellar. The hybrid airflow kit combines direct and ducted airflow for applications with unique layout requirements. Beyond its installation flexibility, every Flex Series system is built with professional-grade components for long-term durability and reliable performance. Each system features a variable speed fan switch, allowing airflow to be adjusted based on cooling demand while helping reduce sound levels and energy consumption. A centrifugal blower delivers strong, consistent air circulation with ultra-quiet operation. For added installation convenience, the Flex Series utilizes upward-facing flare fittings that eliminate the need for brazing and integrated knockouts, simplifying refrigerant line routing, installation, and service. The Flex Series is compatible with both Omni 110-volt H.E and 220-volt Standard and Advanced H.E condensing units, offering flexibility for indoor or outdoor condenser placement based on space, access, and noise considerations. Each system also comes with our advanced KDT digital touch display, which can be mounted inside or outside the cellar using the included 50-foot cable. To ensure precise temperature control, every unit features a liquid-sensing bottle probe that monitors the actual temperature of the wine rather than the ambient cellar air, ensuring a stable environment for proper aging. Each system includes an integrated condensate management system featuring a condensate pump, antimicrobial condensate strip, float switch, and stainless steel drip tray for long-term durability. Creating a cellar environment with a Flex Series system provides the flexibility to conceal the cooling system while maintaining the clean, seamless aesthetic today's homeowners and designers expect. To learn more about the Flex Series or get help selecting the right configuration, please click the links in the video description below.